Hey, it's Kay Richardson here of the Clients Who Say Yes method. And today I want to talk about what three numbers are the most important numbers that you need to pay attention to in order to ensure that you're meeting your revenue goals. Now, before I dive in, I want to show you exactly where this fit in the 3 simple-step marketing process in the Clients Who Say Yes method. You see right here where it's the conversion area, this is where we go through this process in the sales enrollment component to make sure that you're on the right track. And the reason why I wanted to make this video today is because I've been speaking to a lot of my new clients who have not figured out what is it that they need to be focused on to ensure that they're meeting their revenue goals each and every month. So if this is you, let's say for an example, you've decided you want to earn $5,000 a month. But how do you get there? What numbers do you need to look at and pay attention to make sure that you're on the right track to hitting that goal? Now, let's start with number one. Number one, the first number that you need to look at every day would be the number of leads coming into your business. And what do I mean by leads? Those are the people who are showing interest in your product or your service. So number one, pay attention to the number of leads, because if you're not getting the right number of leads in your business, there is no way you're going to meet that revenue goal of either $5,000 a month or replacing your 9-to-5 income so that you can step into this business full time. So take a look at the number of leads that are coming into your business. Now, the second number that you really have to pay attention to also would be your conversions. What do I mean by that? So your conversions would be the number of people who actually say yes to your product or service. Now, again, for some people, you have to know this number, because if it requires you to talk to 10 people opposed to 2 people who are 2 individuals in regards to converting them into the sale, that's very important, which means that you will have to go back and increase your number of leads coming into your business because your conversion rate is really low. So does that make sense? You have to understand your conversion numbers. Now, finally, the last number that I want you to pay attention to really is your monthly revenue. So are you hitting that monthly revenue goal? And if you're not hitting that revenue goal, you need to go back and look at the first 2 things in order to move forward. So again, if that revenue goal is, let's say it's $5,000 a month, keep track of how your sales doing so that you know if you need to ramp up your number of leads, if you need to get really clear about if you're targeting the right ideal audience. Okay, very, very, very important, because if you're not targeting the right ideal audience with the right message, you're not going to be able to meet your revenue goal. So again, take a step back, and I want you to really consider these things. So before I close out, if you want to brainstorm and chat so we can see how you are and where you are in positioning yourself so that you meet your monthly revenue goals, feel free to email me at k@krichardson.co. Again, I am here to help you meet your revenue goal so that you have less stress and less overwhelm with marketing your business.